Okay, goal of today's video, I don't know if you can see me, hold on a second. Alright, today what we're going to do is organize this garage. As you can see, kind of a nightmare. We need to clean it up. The goal is to make it workout area for me, Janna, the baby, where we can all collectively come, work out, do some yoga, sauna, treadmill. Nice little spot where we can just get some exercise in. I don't know how often Janna's going to be able to go to the gym after the baby, so let's do it here, right? Let's set this up. Come on. Cables a little bit more organized. You can stick them back in this box. All cables, just extra cables, nothing else. Makes it a little easier when we need something. Okay, this box is good. I forgot there were lights in here. All right, got most of the stuff off the floor. I need to get this table out of here, right here. Go through these two boxes. This box has like some of our, what are they, resistance bands and a couple other workout things. So we gotta get those organized somewhere. Gotta build a treadmill. We gotta smoke a bowl. Come on. All right, let's put together this backup PC. This PC is pretty dope, actually. This is what I streamed on for a while. This has a 2070 Super in here. So it's a great PC, great GPU. We're just gonna use it to watch some workout videos, some YouTube, like motivational stuff while we're working out. Maybe some kids shows when the baby's here or something. I don't know. But let's get this set up so we can have a TV in here. Power cable secured. I literally it was the last thing that I put in the box. I finished the box and put the power cable away. That was crazy. Bam. Hey, Janna got up early, did some yoga this morning, and that's why I wanted to clean it up. We were in here doing yoga, and it wasn't the best vibe. So cleaning the space up, more energy, man. Good vibes, good energy. That's all we can ask for. HDMI, keyboard, mouse, power. Let's see if this thing works. Do we have power? Let's go, we do. Come on, baby. Give me the juice. Right, I finally got the internet working. That took like an hour. Jesus Christ, I had to get like a extender for the Wi-Fi out here. But we're rocking, we got some vibes going. All right, I think the space cleaned up pretty decent. Little computer TV spot, little gym equipment, just enough space. Tools got a little better organization. The sauna. We gotta build a treadmill. We definitely need to think of some sort of like maybe those like rubber mats that you they like clip together, because definitely don't want to be on the concrete. But it's pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. All right, so we got done with the garage. It's time to make some food. Barbecue chicken, corn, and I think we're doing some salad. Let's get to cooking. So I've been marinating some chicken thighs, there's 4 of them in here, in some barbecue sauce. Let me show you what sauce it is too. Rib rack barbecue sauce, honey, okay, ingredients, brown sugar, tomato puree, water, tomato paste, distilled vinegar, honey, molasses, cornstarch, salt, spices, dried onion, garlic powder. No BS, all right? No crap in there. We've been trying to make sure we eat super clean and healthy for the baby girl that's growing in Janna's belly. Let's make some food, guys. We have some rice pre-made too. We're gonna go ahead and eat some of that. Made the rice, I think yesterday, something like that. Let's go. All right, let's get this cast iron up to temp. While that's warming up, let's take off the husks of the corn. All right, we're gonna put a little butter in this pan so we can start the corn, and then we're gonna get this chicken going as well. All right, we're gonna throw these chicken thighs on here.
Did you finish just in time to scrap for ours?
Right, we are done. Now it's time to start a fire and get this sesh going. We got fire, baby. All right, fire's going. We probably got another hour left of daylight. Sun's gonna set. We're gonna start this stream. If you made it this far, let's rip a bong together, man. Let's go. Get out, clip. Look at this little dog. Yo, cheers everybody. Appreciate you guys supporting. Thank you for watching the content. If you like the cooking videos, you know what to do. Drop a comment, drop a recipe, tell Tadal stop barking in the comments if you hear her. Tadal! Shut the fuck up! We're filming an outro to the YouTube. Chill. We're recording here. Cheers, y'all. Enjoy the dog barking. We're gonna do that again. All right. Finished cooking. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do, man. Big cheers to everybody. Thank you for the support. We hit 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's all because of individuals like you, man. I appreciate you. I'm out of here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like, whatever you want to do. Peace.